Hi, it's Shane at Boundary Carco. Today we are fitting a KENWOOD 7722 to this Mercedes Sprint. This unit has the option for DAB radio and FM radio, as well as the options for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. I'll show you a bit of the Android Auto. And it gives you the use of a load of apps. You can use Waze for the maps or Apple Maps. You can use loads of different music apps like Spotify. The apps work in full. You can search for your tracks. On this radio we have added a reverse camera, and we've also integrated the steering wheel controls on the vehicle, so you can use the volume and skip track options.